Good morning, students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. Welcome to you all in the Gokuldas Public School structured syllabus-based online classes. Now, students, we continue our chapter. I explain you chapter number 6. Okay, that is food and nutrition. Clear? And last two lecture we discussed about the food, and in the second lecture, those are related to this chapter, we should discuss about the nutrients. I explain you 7 nutrients, those are present in the food, and I also explain you about the carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, and roughage also I explained you in the last lecture. But we should revise once again this thing in the little bit. Okay, now the first nutrient, carbohydrate, these are the energy giving food. Okay, these food item give us energy. Student, I explain you this carbohydrate so much, so we should come to next, protein. Okay, these are the bodybuilding food. Now why we tell them bodybuilding food? Because these food give us or make our body strong. Okay, these food items make our body strong, and these are most necessary for the growing children, means those are in their growth age. Okay, clear? Means those are the small kids, they require more protein compared to elder person. Okay, and those are the athletes, they need more protein. Okay, because they are doing so much physical work, means they use their body. Okay, so their body required more protein. Clear? I explain you which food items give us protein. Egg, after that pulses, milk product, all the milk product, means things those are made by milk, cheese, curd, and ghee. Okay, these things. Now egg, beans, these give us fish, meat. These food product give us protein. Okay, now next, and we also call them bodybuilding food. Okay, means these food products make our body strong and also help us to grow. Clear? Now fats. Fats also energy giving food. Compared to carbohydrate, fats give us more energy. Okay, means fats give us more energy compared to carbohydrate, means carbohydrate give us less energy, मतलब carbohydrate फैट से कम एनर्जी देता है. ओके, एंड आई एक्सप्लेन यू इन द लास्ट लेक्चर कि हाउ यू नो अबाउट दैट, मीन्स क्या आप एक गिलास घी पी सकते हो? नो, नहीं पी सकते ना. बट वी शुड टेक 6, 7, 8 चपाती डेली in the lunch, in the dinner. Okay, and now the fats, our body store this food item. Okay, हमारी बॉडी इनको स्टोर करके रखती है, and we should use that energy into when we require. Okay, clear? Now the carbohydrate give us quick energy, these food products, and now the fats collect in our body. I give you example. In the winter season, why your mummy making laddu बनाती है ना मम्मी, that laddu rich with fats, means mummy use so much ghee in that laddus, and dry fruits also, and you have it in the winter season. Whatever you have in the winter season, your body store in the form of fat, and that fat your body use whole year. इसीलिए कहते हैं ना कि ठंड के दिनों में जो खाते हैं हम लोग, वो हमें पूरे साल भर काम आता है हमारी बॉडी को. ओके, तो यही है कंपैरिजन, क्योंकि ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी देते हैं और हमारी बॉडी इसको स्टोर भी करके रखती है। ओके, नाउ vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, how we should get vitamins and minerals? We get minerals and vitamins from the vegetables and fruits, and we also call them protective food. Why we call them protective food? Because these nutrients fights against the diseases. Okay, clear? मीन्स अगर आपको कुछ बीमारी है तो these food products protect your body from the diseases. Okay, clear? Now roughage. Next, roughage. Roughage are the dietary fibers. Okay, means we should have it before the lunch or after the lunch or before the dinner or after the dinner. Why? Because they help us, our stomach, to digest the food. These roughages help our body to digest the food. means हमारी टमी के लिए अच्छा होता है, हमारे डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है। ओके, आई गिव यू एग्जाम्पल. इन द मेस हैव यू लंच, दैट टाइम फर्स्ट दीदी या भैया विच थिंग गिव यू? First, they serve salad in your plate. होता है ना, सैलेड देते हैं ना मैं इसमें आप लोगों को खाने के लिए. ओके, why? Because that salad rich with dietary fibers. That dietary fibers help you to digest the food. Okay, whatever you have in the lunch or dinner. Now see the page number 34. Here the picture given. See some picture of some vegetables and banana, apple, mango and pear, and some vegetables also given, carrot, radish, okay, cucumber. Means these are radish, carrot and cucumber we have before the लंच और डिनर. ओके, उसी के पहले खाते हैं ना. नाउ क्या खाने के पहले आप कोई फ्रूट लेते हो? नो, आफ्टर द लंच और डिनर वी हैव फ्रूट्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज दीज फूड आइटम्स हेल्प आवर स्टमक टू डाइजेस्ट द फूड. क्लियर? सो वी शुड टेल देम roughage. ओके, and also the another name is dietary fibers. Clear? Now the next nutrient is water. Okay, water. Now what is the function of water? Water help us to help our stomach to digest the food. Okay, means the water help to digestion. Okay, clear? Now how many glasses of water you have? ये कितना गिलास पानी पीना चाहिए in a day? 1 day 6 to 8 glasses. Okay, clear? Now see the paragraph, page number 35. Only small paragraph given. Once I read for you. Put your finger on the first line, page number 35, heading water. Okay, water is an important part of our food. Our body requires 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Only 6 to 8 glasses. It helps to maintain our body temperature. We lose water in the form of sweat, urine and when we breathe out. Water also help in the digestion of food. Means most of the 2 functions water doing for us. First, maintain the temperature of our body, and second, help digestion of the food. Okay, clear? Now so the nutrients are here completed. How many nutrients our body required? 7 types of nutrients. Okay, carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins, roughage and water. These are the 7. Now I explain you how we get that nutrient from the food item. I explain you. Now after that, the next thing given in your page number 35, that is balanced diet. In the class 2, class 3, several times you learn the answer of this question, what is a balanced diet. Now here student, I explain you different types of nutrients, which food product provide us these nutrients. I explain you. Now only one small 2 lines given here, only definition given in this on this page. What is given? A balanced diet, a diet that contain all the nutrients. All the nutrients means, you know about the nutrient. What is the meaning of nutrients? These are the substances, those are present in the food items. Okay, now see the definition. A diet that contains all the nutrients means, all the nutrients means these: carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, roughage, water also involved. Clear? Means all the nutrients, whatever you have in your lunch, dinner or breakfast, means these all nutrients present there. Okay, in that diet. If you serve your food in a plate, so you have to serve all these food product. ओके, आपकी थाली में ये सारी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. अब सारी चीज़ें कैसे होगी? वॉट एवर यू हैव, आप जो भी खाओगे उसमें इनके लिटिल बिट अमाउंट होना चाहिए, थोड़ी थोड़ी मात्रा होनी चाहिए. ओके, तो इट मेक योर डाइट अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. ओके, ना ऐसा नहीं विटामिन मिनरल्स हमें दिखेंगे. वी शुड सर्व फूड आइटम. Okay, means which food product give us carbohydrate? We you know the name na, means potato. We divide them into 2 categories, sweet and starch, means rice, corn. Okay, you should involve them in your diet, so you get energy. Now the protein, if you have egg, milk, fish, meat, so you get protein. Okay, now fats, milk product, cheese, butter, or if you use ghee in your diet, so that give you fats. Okay, now vitamins and minerals, you already have salad and vegetable in your diet, so you get vitamins and minerals, and it protect your body from the diseases. Alright, okay. Now roughages. Roughages, you already have roughages, means if you have fruits, salad, it gives you, it help to digestion in the food. Okay. Now water, तो पानी तो हम हमेशा ही पीते हैं ना, सुबह से लगा के शाम तक. Okay, तो means all these nutrients involved in your diet, so it make your diet a balanced diet. Okay, clear? अब clear हुआ होगा ना? Means we only learn the definition of balanced diet and wrote our answer. But see here, what is given? A diet that contains all the nutrients, means these nutrients. Okay, protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals in right amount, okay, is called a balanced diet. This word given here, right amount, means right amount होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई चीज़ हमने बहुत ज़्यादा खा ली और कोई खाई नहीं. जैसे आप वेजिटेबल नहीं लेते हो ना, बहुत से बच्चों को सब्जी अच्छी नहीं लगती है, तो इससे आपकी डाइट जो होगी बैलेंस नहीं रहेगी. You don't get vitamins and minerals. Okay, and how you protect your body from the coronavirus? If you don't have proper diet, so you should include these all the nutrients in your diet. If that nutrients balance in your diet, so your diet we should call them that is the balanced diet. Okay, clear? Now next thing, look here, page number 35, digestion of food. Student, once we read this paragraph and after that I explain you. Okay, now put your finger on the line. First line, digestion of food. The food we eat does not provide us energy instantly by just entering our mouth and chewing by teeth. It is first broken down by our digestive system into simple parts. It is then transported to various parts of our body through the blood. The process of breaking a food into a simple form is called digestion. All the organs shown in the picture are involved in the process of digestion. Let us read about the digestive system and roles played by different organs in this process. Okay, first you understand this paragraph. Okay, what is given there? The food we eat does not provide us energy, means suppose you have rice and dal and chapati, okay, in your lunch, and salad also. Now when you have salad, after that you eat chapati and rice with dal. Okay, now what you do first? First you take one plate. आप एक plate लोगे. Okay, you serve your food. Here you take your food in the plate. After that, what you do? How you take your lunch? How you eat your lunch? You took small bites of your food. छोटी छोटी bites लोगे ना, छोटे छोटे टुकड़े में खाओगे ना उसको. Now, when your food enter in your mouth, how you take your food in your mouth? Through your hands. Okay. Now, what is going on? You take your lunch in your mouth, you eat your lunch. After that, what you do? Your lunch rest in your mouth? No, you start chewing of your food. आप उसे चबाना शुरू कर दो. Okay, for the chewing you use your which part of your mouth? Teeth. Your teeth help you to chew your food. Okay, now you chew your food and suddenly you get energy. जैसे ही आपने खाया चबाया एनर्जी मिल जाएगी? No. To get energy means whatever you have, to get energy there are so much long process doing your stomach for you. आपका टमी आपके लिए काम करता है फिर. Okay, for that process means for the digestion he involves other parts also, those are present inside your stomach. Okay, clear? Now after the digestion you get energy. You don't get instant energy from your diet. Okay, your stomach takes some time to provide energy to all the parts of your body. Okay, clear? This is the meaning of first line. Now the main organ of digestive system. In the digestion process, some internal organ and some external organ help us. Okay, external organs, hand, after that your mouth, teeth, these are the external organs. Why we say these are the external organ? Because these organs are visible. Okay, हम इन्हें देख सकते हैं. What is the function of your teeth? Teeth chew your food. Tongue also help for the taste. Okay, and one thing also present in your mouth that make your food juicy. अचीवेबल मीन्स उसको थोड़ा सा लसलसा बनाती है, दैट इज सलाइवा. दोज आर एक्सट्रैक्टेड बाय दी सलाइवरी ग्लैंड. ओके, नाउ इंटरनल ऑर्गन. इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स those are present inside your body. We cannot see them. हम उन्हें देख नहीं सकते. Okay, so that organ is mouth, and internal organ first is food pipe. Next is stomach. Now small intestine, large intestine. These parts help us to in the digestion of food. External organs, teeth and mouth, hand also. Without hand, can you able to have your lunch or dinner? After that, external organ, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. These are the internal organ. Those are help us to digestion of food. Clear? Student, before we start digestion process, I want to show you one diagram. Okay, see here. this diagram given in your textbook, page number 35. Look here. See this. I wrote here name, external organs and internal organs. This organ showed you by this picture. Okay. See here, first number, mouth. Mouth is a external organ. Through the mouth, the food enter. Okay. Now when the food enter in your mouth, which organ present there? Teeth present inside the mouth. Okay. See here, teeth also given here. Now what is the function of your teeth? The teeth start your food. Chewing start your food. Okay. Now after that, this long pipe, look here, this is pipe like structure given. When your food chewed by the teeth, one thing also mix here, that is saliva. Okay. Why this saliva mix here? Because this is secreted by the which gland? Salivary gland. Okay. It make your food some which type? लसा बना देती, means saliva mix there, so it become very loose. Okay. And your food also chew there, that your teeth divide them in the small particles. Okay, clear? Now the saliva mix with that particles and goes to or transfer to which part? Your stomach. But through the which part? Food pipe. Okay, if you want to supply water, same the function food pipe doing for your food. Okay, from the mouth your food enter in the stomach. But how? Through the food pipe. Food pipe doing that work. Okay, if you want to supply water, अगर आपको पानी कहीं पहुंचाना है आपके घर में, okay, from first floor to last floor, means first floor to second floor, तो how, which thing you have to use? Pipe के थ्रू ही पानी पहुंचाओगे ना. तो same function doing food pipe here. Food enter in your mouth. Now here teeth doing their work, and now through the food pipe your food reach in your stomach. Okay, clear? Now here different parts also given. They are functioning in the different ways, step by step. Food digested by this organ. Now here look, food pipe, the another name of the food pipe is esophagus. Okay, esophagus are food pipe, both are the same. Clear? Now after that our food enter in the liver. Clear? Liver given here na. See student, this process I showed you through the diagram, okay, in the next lecture, but once again you have to see this picture. Okay, liver. Now your food reach here in the liver. In the liver your food crushed and churned here. Okay, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा कहते हैं ना, जैसे मिक्सर में हम जिस चीज़ को घुमाते हैं ना, तो सेम फंक्शन डूइंग योर liver for your food whatever you have. क्लियर? मीन्स यहाँ पर इसे बहुत ज़्यादा पतला बना दिया जाता है. Here you found your food in the juicy form. Why? Because so many digestive juices present here. They help to digest that food. Okay? That is the small particles na coming through the esophagus are food pipe. Liver mash them. And here we get our food in the liquid form. Why? Because so many digestive juices here. They digest the food and they mix them like a mixer. मिक्सर में जैसे घुमाते और मिक्स हो जाता है ना खाना, वैसा यहाँ पे डाइजेस्टिव फूड काम करते हैं. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ after that your food reach into the small intestine. Okay, small intestine is a very sensitive organ. Okay, what happened here with your food items? Now this intestine your food in the juicy form in the liver. See here, when your food enter in the small intestine, look here, two structure given. One is green, okay, see, and the second half portion is brown. Okay, clear? So the name of that part is, that is the greeny, that is the large intestine, and those are the yellow, some yellow, that is the small intestine. Have you seen? दिख रहा है ना सबको? Okay, now these, after the liver functioning over their function, after that food product enter into the small intestine. Okay, small intestine, here your food also become in the liquid form. Okay, so much liquid, बहुत ज़्यादा liquid form में आ जाता है. When I explain you this process, I explain you all the things in the detailed form. Okay, but here I am explaining you little bit thing about it. Okay, I only want to show you this picture. Okay, this is the part when the small intestine and large intestine functioning. After that whatever the extracted part, जो बचा हुआ भाग होता है वो कहाँ होता है? थ्रू दी एनस it discharged by the from the body. Okay, clear? Means these are the parts of your digestive system. Clear? Now student, you see this picture, you have to learn the name step by step. First is mouth, after that esophagus or food pipe, both are the same. Okay, now after that liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and anus. These are the parts of digestive system. Okay students, now I finish my lecture here. You read this page number 35 in front of your mummy and your papa. Okay, once or if you want to read 2 or 3 times. Okay, clear? But you have to read this chapter. Now bye, I finish my lecture here.